Look down the lane, and... Oh, oh, come on! Whoa! What are these guys doing? Whoa! Oh! Looks like fun. Time to get involved. So what is this cool place we're at today?
It's a bowling alley.
A bowling alley? Oh. What is bowling?
You just get a bowling ball and you just knock over the pins with it.
Oh. You knock over the pins?
Yeah.
So why do bowling balls have 3 holes in them?
So you can pick it up with your fingers and bowl it.
Oh, okay. So you can't just pick it up with 2 hands and chuck it?
You have to like roll it on the floor.
Oh. Otherwise it might make a hole in the floor.
Yes.
Yeah. How do you know who wins bowling?
There's a screen and it tells you how much you knocked over.
Oh, so it knows how many pins you knock down?
Yes.
And the person who knocks down the most pins wins?
Yes.
Oh. So what's it called if you knock down all the pins in one go?
Strike.
Right. And what's it called if you knock down all the pins in 2 goes?
Spear.
Right. So you want to try and get strikes and spears?
Yes.
Yeah. So once you've bowled your bowling ball, how do you get it back?
There's a special machine that brings your ball back.
Oh. And when you knock down the pins, do you have to go and stand them all up again?
No. The machine does it.
There's a machine for that too?
Yes.
Oh, they've got a machine for everything.
Come on, Aman.
Come on, Aman.
Get the ball
Oh,
down.
come on.
Ooh, come on.
It's looking good.
Oh!
Good job, Aman.
Really good.
Whoa, those are some pretty jazzy shoes you've got on. Where'd you get those?
From the counter at the back.
Oh, so do you get special shoes when you go bowling?
Yes.
Oh. So do you think they'd have Moe's size?
No.
Oh, maybe Moe will just do it barefoot.
Yeah.
Okay, Moe, focus. Look down the lane, and... Oh, oh, come on! Come on! Ah, so close! Still, not bad for a first try. Moe will keep practicing. But that was fun going bowling. Who wants high fives? Yeah, give it up. Boom!